Hey everybody, it's Tuesday. I'm hungry. We had a monsoon come through the Carolinas last night, so I brought a little closed cell foam pad to put down on the picnic bench. Keep my bottom from getting wet. Today we're going to pimp your ramen. I'm doing this along with a few other channels today. Y'all check them out. We got Happy Trails Hiking, M and the Gang, Wood Pigeon Outdoors, Gaia's Pupil, and myself, Journey of Bear. Y'all check those guys out, see what they're cooking. Ramen is one of those things that I think most of us have had, and if you've ate it for any length of time, you've learned to play with it. Happiness is camping. Thanks, sis. Here's a company that makes some of our backpacking meals called Packet Gourmet. I love Packet Gourmet. They really have added some variety to the meals I take when I'm backpacking. They have one item, their Ramen Rescue. And if you're just going occasionally and you're not spending a whole lot out there to get out there, it's no big deal. Their Ramen Rescue is $3.99. It does not include your noodles. If you want to add your noodles to that, it's another 59 cents. And if you want to add a little side of chicken to go in the noodles, that's another 59 cents. Plus shipping to get it to you. So that adds up. And I found these products here from Harmony House I like to use with my ramen backpacking, and I can do this for a fraction. And we've got some other seasonings we can utilize, right? Got parsley and chives here. So you can do all this for pennies. Their vegetable soup mix here, currently on Amazon. This is a March of 2018, is $13.97. And they say there's 16 quarter cup servings in this at 87 cents a serving. Their mushrooms is the same way at 87 cents a serving if you use quarter cup servings. And with quarter cup servings out of this, the spinach, it's $10.97 currently on Amazon at 68 cents a serving. I generally don't use that much. See, I've got some mushrooms I've been plumping up in some water. Y'all see that? You see that water? Don't throw that away, that's goodness. We're gonna put that right in our soup. Look at there, that's flavor. And when I get to camp, if I'm using dehydrated mushrooms, I like to get those guys hydrating right away. Today I've got the roast chicken. I've got some mushrooms going in there already. I'm going to add some of this vegetable soup mix. I'll just take my cup, my little top here. I usually put some in it. That's about what I'll throw in my ramen. Now for curiosity, I brought a measuring spoon. Let's see what that is. Do it over my bowl in case I spill any. Alright, you see down in there? I probably don't have a third of that quarter cup measurement. So you can break that cost down on my vegetable soup into thirds and get that guy down to around 30 cents a serving. Clear some of this stuff out of the way, come back and talk to you about some other ways to save money pimping your ramen. We're going to do some backpacking meals that are sub $1. I'll bring you over here so we can see what we got going on. Y'all see that vegetable goodness? That's just ramping it up. You got all kinds of flavor, a little added nutrition. We know the ramen doesn't have any nutrition, just some calories for us. Don't need to go crazy with it, do we? Just a little boil. Doesn't take much to cook ramen. Give these guys a little break. Go ahead and pour my seasoning in there. Let that start dissolving. I don't know about you, but I've got a long history with ramen. I think I've been pimping my ramen since I was in high school. It started out with me maybe sauteing a few veggies on the stove top along with it, cracking an egg into it, letting the egg cook in there, kind of the way you do egg drop soup. While my ramen's cooking, I'm going to show you another way I save money on my backpacking food. If you have to, you can eat them raw. If you're in a jam, don't have a way to cook. Some people would actually crunch them up, open them up, dump the seasoning packet in there and give it a little mix and eat it like a little snack like that. I've got this bucket in my cupboard. At work, people order out. Sometimes they order a bunch of food for a group. They always send tons of little packets of goodies. So about twice a year I dump this, whatever I haven't used, and start it again because I don't want them to get too old. None of them are dated. But look at there. I mean, we've got lemon juice, mustard, mayonnaise, vinegar. Butter is open. Got butter, soy sauce. We got red pepper flakes, Parmesan cheese. Might use a Parmesan cheese on my soup today. I'm gonna save one of those. We got little special seasoning packets from Papa John's. We got duck sauce, hot sauce. I just gotta grab them before the cleaning crew throws them away. Sometimes if there's a hike coming up and I know there's somebody that has a sauce or something I want, I'll make it one of my eat out destinations a week or two before I go on my trip, and I'll ask them if I can buy some extra sauce. And a lot of times if you've spent some money with them, they're just going to give it to you. You don't have to liberate it and walk down the trail carrying the guilt of stolen food. If they do charge you for it, what are they going to charge you? Quarter, 50 cents for a little packet? Not a big deal. You know, pimping your ramen is another way to help your kids get a little added nutrition. All kids like ramen noodles. My little girl's 10 and she just thinks she's hot stuff being able to cook her ramen noodles in the microwave. And I taught her about using these different dehydrated vegetables and mixes to add to her ramen noodles. And I gave her free rein to get these out of the cabinet and use them. She hardly ever cooks a ramen noodle anymore without putting some vegetables in it, because she's cooking in her mind. She's doing something. I did teach her she needed to eat the vegetables along with the noodles so she could get the full benefit, but she just loves it. see if I can show you what we got here. I think we are ready. I didn't bring anything till time with me. I'm just looking how plump the noodles have gotten. Not to leave some precious vegetable in there. I don't want to do that. I'm going to use a little green pepper sauce today. Oh yeah. Now I know you pimp your ramen. What do you like to put in yours? Leave it in the comments below. Now I'm hungry. It's going to be hard to let this cool a little. Oh, maybe I had the jalapeno in that bite. That was good. Well, y'all check out those other channels I'm collaborating with this week. See what they've got going on. I've listed those other channels down in the description. I was doing a little rough math while I was eating. I just wanted to come back and let y'all know that backpacking meal there cost me about 60 cents. So there you go. Now, I'm gonna tell you, it's got a lot of flavor too. That takes ramen to another level. Hey, y'all drink that broth. That's hydration when you're on the trail. Not to mention all the nutrients that come out of your vegetables into it. Don't leave that behind. Never pour out your broth. Alright guys, it's another Happy Bear plate. I'll catch you later.